2, 1, go!
And we return again to Qualification 52. So far, starting much the same way. Blue Alliance scoring 2, now 3 coral on that top level. And in the final seconds, Berkelium bringing one more, not getting it scored before the end of auto, but now it is as the drivers take control. And Biomex quickly adding a 5th. That's 1 set of 5 already complete for the Blue Alliance. Their alliance partners, the Alameda Aztecs, meanwhile, starting to clear some algae from the reef, making their way around, getting all of those branches open. On red, meanwhile, 1 coral has been placed on level 4 and another one falling down to the trough. But 199 not in action at the moment. Their alliance partners trying to make up for some scoring. Blue, meanwhile, pulling ahead. Biomex adding a 4th level 3 coral and a 5th now, courtesy of Berkelium. Alameda Aztec adding 1 to the trough. Biomex to level 2. That is 4 and 5. Coral now on level 2 as well. That means Blue Alliance already 3/4 of the way to that coral RP. And we may see them start to fill out some more. 5419 adding 1 to the trough. Meanwhile, Biomex focus on the scoring, adding 1 to the top level. Back on red, 10202. Hung up on a piece of algae for a little bit, but now they are free and back on the move. And speaking of back on the move, there is 199. Finally scoring that piece of cargo they had on board and coming back from their station with another. They are adding to level 3 a 3rd piece of coral. Alliance partners trying to add 2nd. And with just over 30 seconds to go, Blue Alliance comfortably in the lead, but working on some of those extra RP. They have a couple coral in the trough already, 3 of them in fact it looks like. 5419 adding another. And with just over 20 seconds left, we are now end game. 1 more coral from 5419. Looks like that should just about do the coral RP for Blue Alliance. Now all 3 of their robots over by the barge. Red still trying to get a last few pieces of coral scored. 5 seconds left. Biomex on blue, up in the air. Make it off the ground, and 5419 does as well. It looks like 2 robots climbing for blue. It's the Blue Alliance, taking it by a score of 175 to 82. Blue Alliance earning a full 6 ranking points with that victory, sending all of its teams up in the rankings. And now for another look, let's take it over to the